Hello everyone, this is M. Milton Joe. In this video, we are going to discuss about UGC CARE list update as on 1st October 2020. As we know very well, UGC CARE list is updated thrice in a year. That is, the first day of January, April, July and October. If the first day is a holiday, then the UGC CARE list will be updated in the next working day. Accordingly, 1st October 2020 UGC CARE list has been updated. So what are the changes have been made in UGC CARE list as on October 2020? So this is the thing that we are going to see in today's video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it and click the bell symbol so that you will get the latest notifications. Now let us get into the topic. So first we have to go to the UGC CARE list website. Just type UGC CARE list. So here you can find UGC CARE list. This is the official website. So just click it. So just click login. If you have an existing account, you can directly log in. In case if you don't have, you can register for a new one. So after login, just click UGC CARE list and search UGC CARE list. Here you can find UGC CARE list group 1 and UGC CARE list group 2. First let us discuss about UGC CARE list group 2. UGC has not made any change in UGC CARE list group 2 as on 1st of October 2020. Note that all the journals indexed in these three databases of Web of Science, that is Arts and Humanities Citation Index, Science Citation Index Expanded and Social Sciences Citation Index. So any journal indexed any of these databases will come under UGC CARE list group 2. Similarly, the journals which are indexed by Scopus database will also come under UGC CARE list group 2 except the list of journals removed by UGC. So the journals which are removed by UGC, you can find it here. So just click this link. Here you can find around exactly 77 journals that are identified poor journals and they are removed by UGC. Though these 77 journals are indexed by Scopus, they are not considered by UGC. So these 77 journals will not be part of UGC CARE list group 2. UGC has not added any journal in this removed list as on 1st October 2020. So all these 77 journals were added in the previous update of UGC CARE list. So note that all the Scopus indexed journals are not part of UGC CARE list group 2. So UGC has removed 77 journals. Those lists you can find it here. Those 77 journals are not part of UGC CARE list group 2. And another one, MLA database. The journals which are identified from the MLA database are listed here, and these journals will also come under UGC CARE list group 2. So here you can find 163 journals. So all these 163 journals are part of UGC CARE list group 2. And finally, note, so read this one very carefully. The journals which are discontinued or inactive from above databases will not find a place in group 2 of UGC CARE list. For example, the journal should be actively indexed in these databases. In case the journal was indexed and recently if it is removed, then the discontinued or inactive or removed journals will not be part of UGC CARE list group 2. So in short, as on 1st of October 2020, UGC has not made any change in UGC CARE list group 2. Now let us discuss about UGC CARE list group 1. So in UGC CARE list group 1, UGC has made significant changes. So what are the changes have been made? Let us see. So just click the search. So here you can find search. So just click it. Here you can find group 1 and group 2. Just click group 1 and here you can find recently discontinued journals and recently added journals. So just click recently discontinued channels. So here you can find 16 channels. So UGC has removed 16 channels from UGC care list group 1 as on 1st October 2020. So here you can find discontinued from October 2020. So the 16 channels are not part of UGC care list group 1 as on 1st October 2020. So you can find the channels here. So serial number 1 to 10 is displayed here. So just scroll down and you can click the next page. Here you can find the remaining 16 channels, that is from serial number 11 to 16. So all these 16 channels are removed from UGC care list as on 1st October 2020. So this is the major change UGC has made in UGC care list as on 1st October 2020. So again click search group 1. Here you can find recently added channels. So here you can find, just scroll down, here you can find 32 channels. So UGC has added 32 channels in UGC care list group 1. So these 32 channels are not added as on 1st of October 2020. In the month of September itself, these 32 channels are added into the UGC care list group 1. As on 1st of October 2020, UGC has removed 16 channels from UGC care list group 1. This is the major update UGC has made in UGC care list as on 1st of October 2020. In UGC care list group 2, UGC has not made any changes. Similarly, you can also find recently added channels. 32 channels were added in UGC care list. This was done in September 2020. These are the changes made in UGC care list as on 1st October 2020. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell symbol and share the video with your colleagues so that it will be useful to others. Very soon I will meet you in another video with another concept. Thank you very much for watching.